Hello everyone, this is Steve from DIYauto.com. Today we're going to be installing the mid-size lip kit from All-Fit Automotive on my Fiesta ST. So I'm pretty excited. Let's get started.
All-Fit sells this lip kit as well as other automotive styling products. The lips come in 3 different sizes, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5 inches. We're installing the 2.5 inch. They are made of durable rubber and start at $59.95. You can order a variety of colors, and they can be installed either on the front or rear bumpers or as side skirts. Make sure to wash and dry your car before getting started. So the kit comes with pretty much everything you need to get started. So you want to make sure that the bottom of your bumper is clean and dry. They provide an alcohol wipe to make the bottom extra clean. A lot of car soaps have wax in them, so that will get in between the adhesive and your bumper, so it won't stick as well. So this makes sure that there's nothing between the adhesive and the paint. Bumpers have these sharp lines on them, or sharp curves. They recommend cutting a V into the lip so it goes around there nicely. So we're going to just check, see if we're going to have to do that. Before you stick the bumper on, they give you a 3M adhesive promoter. This helps create a better bond between the lip and the bumper. This stuff is pretty caustic, so make sure you use the supplied rubber glove and don't touch it with your other hand. So we're going to get started. And now for the fun part. They recommend removing the adhesive backing a little bit at a time as you go around the bumper. This allows you to refit if needed. So right here, there's kind of a sharp bend at this point, so I'm going to cut a little V in the lip so that it kind of folds around here a little bit easier. You can easily cut the lip with a scissors or an X-Acto knife. Put a few screws in back here just to hold it even better. So I'm just going to put screws in kind of as I go across. It hugs the bumper quite well right there, so it's looking good so far. Work your way across about a foot at a time. When it's in the right position, you can add a screw to hold it in place. I had to cut a V in the lip on this side as well, with a screw on each side to hold it in position. The instructions recommend installing a screw every foot. I found every 6 to 10 inches works great. When you get to the end, simply cut the lip with the scissors. I cut it at a forward angle for a more dynamic look. Cut the other side to match, and you're done. This is what the car looked like before. And here it is after. For the price and time invested, it really makes a huge difference.
I've had the lip on the car for about a week, and I just want to give my final thoughts. First off, I love how it looks. The rubber matches the other black trim perfectly. I mean, it really looks like something that could have been installed on the car from the factory. And it really adds a little bit of aggression to the front. So yeah, it really looks fantastic. So I've driven the car all week. It's probably been about 10 or 11 hours of driving, a lot on the highway. And the lips held up really well. As far as installation goes, it really was a piece of cake. I've installed fiberglass lips on cars before, and you have to paint it, you have to prep it. There's always a little bit of fiddling to get things to fit right. And I was able to install this in about half an hour, and you really can't beat that.
In conclusion, is the All-Fit lip worth it? Definitely. For the price, looks, ease of installation, and durability, All-Fit is hard to beat. Thank you for watching this review, and make sure to check out DIYauto.com, the ultimate gearhead encyclopedia.